Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Patrick. Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
Welcome to CPI.
Thank you very much.
I'm here at CPI Publishers, which produces 3 million books every single week using around 800 tons of paper. Behind me here is enough stock to last them less than 6 hours. And we're here on a journey to see how the future of almost everything will be printed and to learn lessons about the future of publishing. They're changing the plates. A plate printed by laser that's going to turn at very high speed, popping the new plate onto a machine for a new part of a new book. Cut by laser, they get washed with water, which covers the area which won't be inked, and that leaves the printed area which is slightly greasy, which is where the oily printing liquid will be put, the dyes and so on. These things will then rotate like crazy, and you can see here, at high speed, parts of books coming out. Keeping the process going is a gigantic logistical challenge. So these rolls of paper are supplying the mill at 500 meters every minute, and that's enough to make 26,000 parts of a book every hour. Here we're looking at several miles of paper, which will last less than 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes, some double-sided tape will be used, essentially to stick the end of one roll onto another. This whole thing is computer controlled. There's a lot of intelligence here, lots of cameras, lots of sensors, making sure that every page is perfectly aligned with the whole of the rest of the book. And you can see the laser dots here as they come out of the machine, just checking everything is absolutely perfect. Now, to keep books being made at this incredible speed, if you get an interruption anywhere, the entire process is paralyzed. While we're running 500 meters per minute of paper into the printing press, we are also having to sort, collate, cut, fold, glue. The whole thing's got to happen absolutely perfectly. One jam here, and we're going to have to stop the paper running here. It could take quite a while to sort out the mess. This has been a fascinating day for me. My 17th book. I've never seen one printed before, and it's just an extraordinary thing to see words converted from something that's on a screen to something on just an ordinary piece of paper at home, which I'm looking for typos on, to actually holding a physical book. It's extraordinary, and the technology is amazing. We've been using lithographic offset here, which is suitable to print hundreds of thousands or millions of copies at incredible speed. But, you know, we can print books in a run of one using digital process. Yes, 1 copy or 2 copy or 3 copies or 4, in whatever binding or size you like, and it can happen in less than a blink of an eye on different processes, different machines. That's where this technology is going for the future. But at the moment, if you want hundreds of thousands of copies, you stick to the processes we have just seen. Template, which spins at incredible speed, and all the rest is done by cutting and folding huge sheets of paper, assembling them into books, and gluing them together until you get the future of almost everything.